Why is he on a mission to destabilize his own government? Nikamwambia kwenda muongeleshe kama mtu ya nyumbani and the head of public service. Akaenda akamuongelesha. Ruto akanitafuta akanitukana. Why are you sending Felix to me? Huyo ni nani kwangu? Nikamachana na hiyo maneno. Nikatafuta wajumbe wa college wale wamekomaa wakiongozwa by the late Cheptumo, the senator for Baringo. Karibu 16 leaders from the college community. Kaambia hii mtoto wenu amepotea na ataharibu hii serikali. He is destabilizing his own government. What he's doing, there will be no government here. Atapata shida na atakuja kufukuzwa na Wakenya. Wakaenda wakamuongelesha, akawatukana, akawafukuza, akaniita, akanisomea, kwa nini natuma wajumbe kwangu? I never gave up. I looked for the Director General of the National Intelligence Service, Nurin Haji. I asked him, Director, why are you not guiding the president properly? From what I can see, he is going to destabilize his own government. He is destabilizing the presidency. He is making so many mistakes, and members of the public are up in arms. Please, Bwana Director, why don't you sit and tell the president? I know it is your job to make sure nobody destabilizes the government and advise the president accordingly. But you are in a very unique position. The president himself is destabilizing his own government. Go and sit him down and talk to him. Haji akaniambia, our work is purely advisory. We have advised him, but what he does with the advice, there is nothing we can do. Akaenda. Nikatafuta mabishops ya college. I never gave up. I really tried to save this man from himself. I sat the bishops down. I said, Baba Askofu, huyu mtoto wenu anataka kuharibu serikali. Ile mwenyewe anaongoza. Na hii serikali tulipata na shida. Please go and sit him down. Tell him A, B, C, D. The bishops went and saw him. They came back to me crying. He really abused them and told them off and told them they have no capacity to advise him as president. Mtoto wetu has gone mad. He is so arrogant. He has even chased us away. So, William Ruto, please don't blame President Uhuru Kenyatta for what you are going through. I advised you. It has come to pass. Kenyans have abandoned you. There is nothing you can do.